Today for Math Scientist, we're going to be making volcanoes inside our pumpkins, also known as exploding volcano pumpkins. Stick around to the end of the video where I'll ask you a question and then answer the question in the comments. What you will need for this experiment is 1 pumpkin, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1/4 of a cup of vinegar, water, about 10 drops of food coloring, dish soap, and an aluminum container, or if you want to do it in the sink, you can just use a sink. Keep in mind that this recipe is for a small pumpkin, so if you use a big pumpkin like I did, you may want to double or triple the recipe. The question for this video is, what is your favorite holiday? Comment down your answer.
Oh, yeah, hey.